Yo guys, it is your boy here, Jamie from Officially Gassed, and we are down at none other than SW Motorsport to get a cage in my GT2RS budget replica. And oh boy, am I absolutely gassed for what the boys have done. So they have actually pretty much done a full replica GT2RS cage. Not only does it look good, it's also lightweight. It's in T45 steel, only weighing in at 15 kgs. And of course, we want form, function, and we want to go fast. And talking about fast, this car actually makes 1080 BHP. It was the cheapest 991 turbo in the country, and this budget build is well underway. So check back in a few months, and yeah, hopefully we've got some good results.